Hello. Wait lang. Hello, it's me Ella again, and I will be playing MMV. And it's pretty quiet in our home, cause wait, ang hirap, bro. It's so hard to speak English when your first language is Tagalog. So I'm just going to speak Tagalog muna. Tatagalog na lang muna ako. So if you're Filipino, I so if you're not Filipino, you're from other countries, don't watch this. Or you can watch it, just don't mind the wait. Okay. Ooh! Oh my god. Quacky. Quacky. Oh my god, what is that aim? Granada! Ay! Ahem. Don't mind. Ahem. That's how fast I rage quit. Diba? Mabilis lang talaga ako mag-rage quit. Ganun talaga akong tao. Mabilis mag-rage quit. Ah. Military base. Military base. Yan! Yippee! Gravestone. Oh. Where is it? Sheriff again. Alright, this time I'm lock in. Surely the first person. No, never mind. I will not do that. Oh. Oh my god, I just clicked the wrong button. Button? Ba yan? Napapa-English na din tuloy ako. Hey, I did it. I did it. I did it. I think it's the man, though. I think it's the man. Am I right? Sir? Oh, never mind. It's not him. So, let's just wait for the murder. Hintayin na lang muna natin yung murder. Sino ba? Kuya. Kuya, teamers kayo? Ayaw, teamers? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Get the frick out of my way. Oh my god, what is that aim? Oh my god. Bro, I kept missing and missing and missing. Bro, what the hell are you doing? Bro, why did I jump down? Why did I jump down? Why did I jump down? Why did I do that? Oh, that was unexpected. Why did I do that? My god. My aim though. My aim is slowly disappearing. I've been playing. I know that my avatar is fake, but I always server hop on MM2. So when I came across MMV, I think I just thought that yeah, maybe this game isn't so bad after all. There is no hackers, there are no exploiters, there is no speed glitches that I hate, and Tagalog and English. I will speak on Tagalog and English at the same time. So, pagka nagtagalog ako, ita-translate ko agad. Ako na magsasabi. So, when I speak Tagalog, I will automatically change it. I translate it into English. Like what I did. Where is the mirror? Nasaan ang murderer? Where is the murderer? Nasa saan means where? Just, oh! Should I just change? Did nobody saw that? I think she's the murderer. Never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. It's her e-boy. Are they team? Yippee! My god. Biolab. My favorite map. Please, please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Di wag. Then don't. My god. Di wag kayo. Di wag niyo yung piliin. Then don't pick it. My god. Girl! Just like that. Oh my god. So easy. Oh. 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 Oh, he's shooting. No, 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 no. Oh, no, Yeah, that's all. Sorry if it's 8 minutes. I'm just so tired. So, bye.